Hello everyone. To integrate D7 SMS with Zabbix, the initial step is to locate the Zabbix alert script path and copy the D7 SMS.py script to that specific location. To find the path, you can employ the following methods. Zabbix_server-help. Alternatively, you can retrieve it from the configuration file zabbix_server.conf inside etc Zabbix. Now download D7SMS.py script from the Git repo using wget and make it executable. Once it is done, replace the D7 token in the script with the token you obtained from app.d7networks.com. Before proceeding further, you can now test the script using the following command to ensure smooth working of the same. Remember to replace the destination number on the command. The command is ./D7SMS.py your mobile number and the test content. Open Zabbix panel and navigate to Alerts Media Types and click on Create Media Type. Input following details. Name D7 SMS. Type Script. Script name D7SMS.py. Script parameters. Alert.sento, alert.message. Click on Message Templates tab on the same window and click Add. Select message type as problem, and you will get a predefined script. Click on Add. Now add one more template for recovery. Select message type problem recovery and click Add. Click on Update once you've added all the templates. Once created media type, go to Users and click on the desired user. Then select the Media tab and click on Add. Choose Type, D7 SMS. Add destination number with country code for the option Send to. Select the type of alert, severity, required and enable it. Simply click on Update and that's it. The SMS alert will be triggered during the next Zabbix alert.